Hey everyone, welcome to this episode of Wander and Wonder Around the World with me, Sammy D. Today, we're going to talk about my brand new Knack bag. You might be asking yourself, Samantha, what is so special about this Knack bag? Well, I'm going to tell you. I'm going to show you all the features and functions of the Knack bag. First of all, let me tell you how I was introduced to this Knack bag. So my fearless leader, she had this new bag and she's like, I have to show you this new bag. And I'm like, how amazing could this bag be? It's amazing. This bag is so amazing. It has so much room. It has so many features, so many functions. I got so excited. I had to run home. I had to watch like 37 review videos and then I made the purchase. And let me tell you, I do not think we're ever going to go back with a different book bag. So let me tell you about some of my favorite features. First thing I'm going to show you is the outside pocket. So you'll notice that it has these two zippers right there. So I'm going to go ahead and unzip and show you the inside. So you'll see it has a really pretty orange inside interior. It has a pocket that you could put like a mini iPad. It has extra pockets so you could put your wallet if you wanted to, or business cards, and it has some additional space. And then you just zip it right back up. Next, I'm going to show you one of the coolest functions that I was really excited about. It is the top portion. You'll notice there's a zipper here, so I'm going to go ahead and open that for us. And then you will see it has this little secret interior. See how deep that is? Can you tell how deep? And then it has this velvet liner, right? So this was made specifically for sunglasses. How cute. You know, when you're traveling and you have glasses on, and then you have to pop your sunglasses on, and then you have to take them out, put them in, take them out, put them in. I really love this feature because, as you know, I wear glasses and super cute toppers from Pair Eyewear, so I have somewhere to store them and keep them safe while I'm traveling. So at the bottom of the Knack pack, you have this really nice area at the bottom where it has double zippers, and you open it up, once again seeing that really cool orange, right? The really nice orange lining where you can clean up any spills and any messes. And this section is really neat because this is a cord holder. So you could see that you can strap your cords in here, right? You have a section where you can keep them nice and tidy. And then right on the inside, let me get a good angle for you. You could see how deep it is. So you could put your laptop charger in here. I really love this bottom section for you to keep all your chargers out of the way and easy access. I love that element because I don't know about you guys, but I'm always digging for those stinking chargers. I can never find them. And now my Knack bag, I know exactly where to find them each and every time. Here we go. The water bottle compartment is on the side and you can unzip it very nicely, and it has its own pocket. It has the beautiful orange liner again, and your water bottle will fit right inside here. Now, if you don't use the side compartment, you will have more space, a little bit more space on the inside. But let me show you what that water bottle looks like. I'm going to fit it right into that side pocket, and let me show you how easy it is. It goes right in here. She tucks right in, and then I just zip her back up, and trying to do this upside down, but she zips right back up. So voila. The next feature I've been dying to show you is the laptop compartment as well. It also has its own secret compartment, and it was so secretive that it took me like 20 minutes to find it the last time. So first, to find the laptop, you are gonna flip it around. I find that the easiest, and it is on this side. So you go here, you unzip, and your laptop will fit here, and it has a nice little cushy base. So it helps to protect it if you drop the bag. I believe this fits a 16-inch monitor. I know it fits my Dell corporate laptop. So when I travel for work, I know I could fit it in there. Can we just take a moment to just talk about how adorable this bag is? It looks like he's smiling at me. Wander, wander around the world. And then look, you open it up and look at how cute. Look at how cute it is on the inside. Look at all that space. So the first thing it has here that I love is it has this key ring holder. I love this. I'm always losing my keys. And then it has this section right here. When you open it up, you could put anything you need in here. Quick travel supplies, right? So I'm going to close that up. It has this nice felt area, another iPad sleeve, or if you have a teeny tiny laptop, look at all that space. And then it has a mesh section right here. And you can open that up as well. Look at how much space. Now, why I think this is really cool is that this is the internal section. When you're using it as a regular book bag, you can just open it. You have all the items. Quick and easy access, right? So you could just open it right up. You don't have to dig through. It's not extremely cumbersome. And I think that's a really nice feature. One of the reasons why we got this Knack bag is because it's an expandable book bag. So you saw the way that it looks in its normal size, and then I went ahead and opened it up and I expanded the inside, and that's what I'm going to show you next. And you're going to absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Like I said, I already opened it. The side zipper's here, and then there's an expandable zipper. So I've already expanded it, and now I'm going to open it up so you could see the inside. Look at that beautiful orange. I'm not a fan of orange, but I think this is so cute, especially with this tealish color. You can really see the color now. With my lighting, it looks kind of gray, but look, it's like this pretty light seafoam green. So when you open it up, it's already expanded. And look at how much room this is. This is like a regular carry-on. This is supposed to fit under the seat. If not, it will fit as a carry-on. You have your compression section right here, so you can put everything in and make sure it's nice and tight. And then on this side, you have this wonderful mesh. Look at how big that is. You could put everything in there. Socks, your undies, your chones, whatever you have. And like I mentioned, this is already expanded. You could see here the zippers right there to expand. And so I had already opened it up because I didn't want to wrestle it like a crocodile in front of you guys. I was kind of getting embarrassed because I couldn't get things unzipped. We're also going to try something new, and we got those packing cubes. I don't know if you guys are a fan of the packing cubes. We've never really used them before. Usually I'm a roller. Our clothes are a little big, you know, because we're big peoples. So we usually like roll them and then like stack them. But I got the compression cubes because they fit perfectly in the Knack bag. And I just wanted to try it out for our next trip and see how I liked them. So I'll let you guys know if you have some recommendations of some really good packing cubes. Drop them in the comments. Let's share, because sharing is caring, and that's what this channel is all about. And I will link the Knack Bag Medium Series 1. I'll link that at the bottom. I'll also link these packing cubes. Again, I don't have any affiliation with Knack yet. I'm sure they're going to call me, though, and be like, Sammy D, we need you. And I'm going to be like, yes, yes, you do. Anywho, I just want to thank you for watching this episode of Wander and Wonder Around the World as we explore that Knack bag. I'm going to link everything below, like I mentioned earlier, so make sure you check out the links. If you have any questions, let me know. And of course, if you have any recommendations, backpacks that you love to travel with, or like those packing cubes that I talked about, put them in the comments. Hit me up. Don't forget to subscribe and like, because there's a lot of really cool and fun content coming your way in the next couple of months. We'll talk to you later. Bye.